Yeah, guys, so I'm at the library, just chilling in this little park area. They got they got a little city hall building right there, and they got a beautiful waterfalls right here, guys. So, I'm just here chilling, just watching that waterfalls. And we're just coming out of winter, so it's like springtime coming around. So it's a nice day today. So I'm just here, just chilling, watching the waterfalls a little bit. We got kids playing right over there, and people walking around enjoying the nice day. The temperature is about 67 degrees right now, so it's a really nice day. So water make you feel relaxed. You know what I mean? So sometimes if you just want to relax, you could just come at a water park or just like a water fountain and just just sit and chill and relax. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So give you a little peace of mind sometimes. You could just come out and look at the nature. It's like, nature. You could just look at the trees and the birds and, the water, God creation, the sky, yeah, you know, yeah, man. It's good to meditate sometimes, especially after a hard day of work. You could just come and chill with your family, or by yourself and just relax. Yep, look at that little girl just enjoying herself. Look at it. Yep, kids, they're so innocent. Yep, I don't know why people hurt kids. Yep, children are our future. So don't hurt the kids, guys. I'm not saying you guys hurting the kids now, my YouTube people, but I'm just talking in general. I mean, yeah. So that's all I gotta say about that. hmm All right, guys. So I just want to make this short video showing you where I'm at today, and just my chill time. So I'll see you later. So hit that subscribe button, like the video, and stay tuned. Always giving you new content. So till next time, later, bye.